Hey Internet, this is Onyx Peak. That's Whiskey 6 stroke Charlie Tango 044. Out there's the high desert. I think there's landers out there, and then further that way is a Joshua tree. We're up here around 8,000 feet. There's a couple of radio installations. Apparently I was talking to one of the guys down at the Landers repeater, and there's a repeater up here, which should be phenomenal for working desert stuff. Anyways, it's a really nice walk up here. There's Kel under a tree. We're done activating. Pretty easy walk up. It's about 3 miles up, 3 miles down. And you can ride a mountain bike. So I think next time I come up here, I'm going to do that. There's a shortcut, I believe, down there. Cuts it down to a little over a half mile, but it's pretty steep through a little gully or kind of like a wash thing. So yeah, we're going to take the road down because it's a nice stroll. Probably takes about an hour. Hour up, hour down. Beautiful day. Thanks for watching.